Today we're going to talk about how to use the search tool to export jobs. On the main run screen, select the Inventory Manager icon. Touch the category field at the top of the screen and change it to Jobs. Tick to confirm. Touch on the Client Refresh button. To start with, I'm going to search for jobs by client Alan Elder. I touch the client, then the search tool icon. You can search using words. In this example, I'm going to use the word test. You can also search using dates or date ranges. You can search by job size of any or empty to delete empty jobs. You can search for jobs performed by a particular implement. Touch the green tick to search. Search results are then displayed. Touch the search tool icon again to stop the search function. Touch the Client Refresh button to display all clients. Touch the search tool icon again. Touch the green tick and the same search will be applied to all clients. You can see from the results we now have a list of jobs from all clients that contain the word test. To export results, touch on the Select All icon, then Export Data icon. Job saving options allow you to choose whether you want jobs and/or job reports exported to USB. Then tick to proceed. You will receive confirmation of completion of the export. Tick to continue. Now job report options are presented. Choose the desired export options and tick to confirm. On completion of job report export, a summary of results is shown. Touch the green tick to close. And that's how to use the search tool to export jobs. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.